Do you need to improve chemical handling and use? Help your employees reduce the risk of injury? Avoid cross-contamination? And reduce waste, transportation and storage costs? Well, now you can with Oates Sachet Magic. Sachet Magic is an eco-friendly and easy-to-use range of pre-dosed concentrated cleaning products encapsulated in fully water-soluble sachets. Sachet Magic is time-saving and easy to use. One sachet equals one dose, so there is no need to calculate dilution rates. With easy-to-follow user guides and pictorial-based instructions, training your staff on how to use Sachet Magic is quick and easy, making them perfect for use in hotels, large offices, shopping centres, caravan parks, cruise ships and more. Sachet Magic is cost-effective and space-saving. And with our highly effective portion control, you'll avoid overuse, enabling you to streamline costs. Our concentrated sachets minimize packaging, which is great for reducing your freight costs. Perfect for remote areas. No shipping or storage of water. Not to mention less packaging means reduced disposal costs. A bakery chain eliminated 3.2 tonnes of waste in a year by using sachets and decreased waste management collection by 66%. Smaller storage footprint dramatically reduces space required. Perfect for use in industries like fast food, childcare, small offices, aged care, mining, cruise ships and more, where space is minimal. Sachet Magic is safe and reduces occupational health and safety claims, with no more pouring chemicals. No risk of splashback when decanting. And no direct contact with cleaning concentrates. According to WorkSafe Australia, muscular stress while lifting or handling objects caused 32% of serious claims, and the bodily location most commonly affected by injuries that led to serious claims was the back, 21%. Lighter sachet weight reduces potential injury risk and OH&S claims. Printed bottles help to avoid cross-contamination. Sachet Magic is eco-friendly. All Sachet Magic products are biodegradable and phosphate-free. Not to mention less packaging is great for the environment with less waste going to landfill. Sachet Magic is effective against pathogens. The sanitizer cleaner has been independently tested to EN 1276. Proven to be effective against E. coli, Listeria, Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Salmonella. Perfect for use in hospitals, food preparation areas and more. Let us show you just how easy Sachet Magic is to use for mopping. First, fill your bucket to the required level. Then add one powder sachet to the bucket. Stir if necessary until the sachet is fully dissolved. Then apply with mop or cloth to all washable surfaces. For spray bottles, add one sachet to the bottle. Then fill bottle with water. Replace the bottle trigger and shake gently to fully dissolve the sachet. Then spray directly to all washable surfaces and wipe with a cloth. It's that easy. The Sachet Magic range covers all the daily cleaning needs for today's demanding professional. Save your money, time and waste without compromising on high standards of cleanliness and performance by switching to Oates Sachet Magic today.